Think you can just blast your concrete driveway with water and call it clean? Here's why that's a mistake. Pre-treatment breaks down oil stains, algae, and ingrained dirt that water pressure alone can't touch. Without it, you're only removing surface-level grime while stubborn stains stay locked in. Here's a pro tip. Apply a degreaser or concrete cleaner and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before power washing. This allows the chemicals to penetrate deep and loosen everything. The result? You'll clean at lower pressure, get better results, and protect your concrete from damage. The key to a truly clean driveway is letting chemistry do the heavy lifting before you even pull the trigger. Give us a call at 650-946-2723 for more information.